For my first project, an employee satisfaction survey, I'll build a basic 3-page survey using a range of question types, simple branching, and a few more custom settings. More advanced features will be covered in separate videos. Logging in, it's easy to see where to start creating a new survey. I'll click Create Survey. I could choose from the survey bank, but this time I'll create something brand new. First, I'll need a title: Employee Satisfaction Survey. Then, I'll organize this survey into the right folder, confirm the primary language, and choose any additional languages. I won't be able to change the primary language later, but I can always add more secondary languages. Now I'm in. I see the survey title across the top of my screen, and I'm starting in the Design tab. I can also see the rest of the process to come: distribution, reporting, and more. From the top, I'll add my logo and title on every page. Simple enough. Next, to add a question, I'll pick from the menu of options on the left, then drag and drop onto the blank canvas. I'll start with a radio button question. First, I'll enter the question: Overall, how satisfied are you working here? The Edit menu pops up to show me additional options. Then, I'll enter the answer options. If a question's really important, like this one, I can mark it as mandatory. This question level menu also gives me more options, like rearranging the answer options or changing their presentation order. I'll save and continue to add questions. Keeping the end report in mind, there is a right type of question for everything I want to ask. Next, I'll drag and drop in a text box. A text box is a great way to find out what my employees think, but I can also set size and character limits to focus their responses. I'll click the corner of the box to extend the size, then set the character limits. I could even format the box to only accept certain types of content, but in this case, I want words. When I need to share a piece of information, like an introduction, a comment can help to clarify or set expectations. Again, I'll drag and drop to the top of the page, then enter the content. Fast forwarding, my questions are all ready. To make sure I'm asking each employee the right questions, I'll also use simple branching. Branching is a page-to-page function that lets me decide the path my employees should take based on the answers they provide. In this case, some employees should be asked about our employee benefits program, and some should not. To add branching, I'll find that decision question, click on More, and select Branching. Confirming the path for each answer option, I'll save my choices. Wrapping up the content, I'll review and run spell check. Plus, since I want my employees to know the survey's from me, I want to customize the appearance. The logo's a good start, but under Visual Settings, I can customize the style, colors, and text to match my brand. I'll save this theme for future use, then preview the appearance on web, tablet, and mobile. Looks good. As I wrap up the design, I'm already thinking ahead. Why not set up an instant thanks email that's sent to all of my participants? Nice! Plus, I can already set up my expiration rules here, so I've got it all together before I turn my attention to distribution.